Hi there, I'm Ward from River City Events. Today I'm going to go through the steps to set up a tripod screen that you've rented from River City. I promise to make it easy for you to be able to use this tool. To set up the tripod screen, it can be done in a couple of easy steps. The first step and most important step is to make sure the legs are fully extended so the screen is stable when it's set up. To extend the legs, you go down the tripod to the point where the legs are, lift slightly on the tripod and push down on the legs and they'll extend all the way out. Make sure they are completely extended. After the legs have been extended and the tripod is secure, we're going to rotate the screen until it's horizontal. On the top of the screen is a handle. This is what you use to extend the screen. So you'll grab the handle and pull it upwards and clip it on the clip at the top of the post of the screen. After you've connected the screen to the post, if you push the little red button, it'll allow you to extend the post upwards, making the screen larger. There are a number of stops that you can use depending upon how big you want the screen. Pushing the button, raising the post, you'll hear it click in. You can go another size by pushing the button and wait till it clicks in again. To adjust the screen to their proper ratio, you can push down on this button and simply raise the screen according to your image to whatever height you need it to be at. Show's over, time to pack up. To put the screen down, we're going to do things in reverse. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the bottom of the screen is in a store position. Push the button down, slide it down until it clicks or bottoms up. Second step, we're going to go back to that red button and the upper post. Hang on to the post because there's enough pressure that if you simply push the red button, it'll come crashing down on you. Hang on to the post, push the red button, lower the screen until it's down below. Now, third part, unhook the screen, lower it into its case, and then you're going to rotate the screen. It only goes one way. It'll bump. If it's going this way, it won't close properly. You want to go this way, and it'll get into the upright position. Last thing you'll do is stow the legs, going to the bottom, pulling the red button, pulling them up till they close. Now you're ready to put it back in the box. Well, congratulations. You put the screen down, you've had a fantastic movie night with the kids, and you're ready to return it to River City Events. Thank you so much for renting from us. We hope you enjoyed your experience. This is Ward saying have a great day.